My job is to help as many people possible realize how fun riding a scooter is, and even more specifically, flatland. Flatland is one of the most limitless disciplines that you can get into. It might be the most intimidating and you might need the most amount of patience, but I want to make it as accessible as possible for anybody. In today's video, we built up the NV1 in red. This is the $100 complete scooter that you've seen before in a whole new colorway, except the only addition in today's video is we are going to be transforming this scooter into a flatland scooter by just installing 2 front pegs. I have the NV aluminum pegs I'll be putting on the front, which will transform the price of the scooter to $120. And I'll bring it up again. A lot of people are intimidated by flatland being very hard since you don't have any obstacles, and how customizable the scooters can be. Yes, you can customize your scooter into ways that give you more possibility for tricks, but that's not the point. The point is to be able to enjoy the scooter no matter what. We have NV's most entry-level scooter that costs $100, the most inexpensive pegs that cost $20. So for $120, we have a flatland complete, and that's all you need. Here we go. For 120 bucks, you can get out and ride flat. You don't need my scooter. You don't need a custom scooter. Are those nicer? Obviously, I ride a full custom scooter with titanium bars. I cut the deck, I have longer pegs, it's fully customizable. But do you need it to ride flat? No. For those who are intimidated by the price of scooters or just are not in the right financial position to afford a nice scooter to start out with, 100 bucks, you're good to go. You can get to the skate park and you have a good time with us, and that'd be awesome. That's the point of this video. That's the point of my riding. I want people to ride scooters more. So my job is to make it easier for you, less intimidating, more accessible, so you have something to express yourself wherever you are. And that's what we're doing. 10 tricks, we're filming the POV. Let's see what we can do. In the last video we did using the blue NV1, we did 5 tricks, but since we have 2 front pegs on, I think we'll be able to increase the trick list by a lot more. I've always said to people, more pegs, more tricks, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. And if you watched to this far, I'm gonna let you know on how to win this scooter. This is the scooter I'm actually gonna be giving away. This exact one, I'm gonna ride it first. I'll try my best not to scratch it too much so you guys can get basically a fresh scooter. But I'm gonna be giving this away to someone, can't really tell how exactly yet, but this is the giveaway scooter. So pay attention, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you'll have a chance to win this scooter. All right, first trick, we have to do a half lash. Second, we're definitely doing a mega spin with a bar spin. Third one, we're doing a compass. Maybe at least 3 spins. Around the world has to be the 4th trick. For the 5th trick, I want to go into a fakie scooter fakie, but we'll start using these front pegs. I'm gonna get on it and pivot around, and you'll see what I'm talking about. In the last video, we did a straight nose manual and a straight manual, both going forward. In this video, since this is a flatland scooter, we're gonna be doing the same exact thing, line to line, but backwards. We're 7 tricks in, and I've been waiting for these last 3 tricks. The last 3 tricks, I want to do a fork glide, full whiplash, and of course, a hitchhiker. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, every single one of these tricks have been under 3 tries. This proves that the scooter can hang. The only thing for me is the scooter's small for me, since I'm 5'10", and the bar is a little bit low. But if these bars were taller, I just talked to homie in the park. I said if this scooter had taller bars for me, I could ride this thing as if it's my own scooter, so this is not a problem. Last trick is gonna be a hitchhiker. This is one of the most classic flatland tricks that obviously you're gonna need front pegs for this, 2 front pegs, and it's a trick you definitely wanna know how to do if you ride flat. There it is. Cliffhanger being the last trick. This scooter's awesome, 120 bucks. And if you want the scooter without the pegs, you get a scooter under $100. $99 gets you this scooter, complete out of the box. Comes in 4 different colorways. This is the red. The last video we rode the blue. Comes in teal and green. And I'll be giving this scooter away, and I'll let you know right now. Rules for the giveaway. Unfortunately, this giveaway is specifically for North Carolina locals. I want to hand deliver it. And if I had some time in the next few months to hand deliver this thing around the world, I would, but I want someone to get it under their feet as soon as possible. So anybody in North Carolina, if you are watching this video, can you comment down below and let me know if you know anyone that is in need of a good scooter, if they're on like an entry-level foldable razor type of thing, or just something that's, you know, they need to upgrade and they're on the smaller side. I need smaller humans only. Let me know in the comments who they are, where they're from, and why specifically you think that they deserve this scooter. Best story, be honest too. Really be honest, because I want to give this to someone who really needs it. So if you know someone who needs it, please comment down below. And this is for North Carolina locals only. And that's what I want to do. And if no one gives me an idea, then I'm going to figure it out myself. But I would love for you to choose. I want people to learn to give back. It's one of my favorite things to do, is to give back, give prizes, giveaways. And this is your chance to kind of feel what I feel when I give things away. This is the new NV1 S3. If you're looking for this scooter, check the first link in the description. It comes in 4 different colorways, and for $100 you get a perfect solid complete. Pegs I added were $20. You can add whatever you want. This is kind of just a way to get into riding, get into scootering, and get into flatland. There's no rules, remember that. That's kind of my purpose. Help more people ride scooters, make it fun, make it accessible, and entertain you along the way. Thank you for watching. Look forward to those comments. Please be honest in those comments and let me know if you really truly know someone who could use this in North Carolina, and that would be awesome. Love to hear it. Love to talk to you guys in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1 million. I'll see you in the next video.